Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is this week's Aldi haul. We are headed for a road trip. Stay tuned. Okay, so full disclosure, not everything on this center counter is from today's haul. I'm just trying to separate some stuff out for packing. I do have some stuff on this other counter, so let's start over here. This will be our first time trying the pain au chocolat. Oh my gosh, those look so good. I would probably heat these up in the microwave for maybe like 10 seconds or something really short. Unfortunately, they were out of the regular size cinnamon raisin bagels, so I got the minis. And then for my brother and I, the everything bagels, just the regular size. I said in my last haul that I was not a fan of the bagel skinnies, unfortunately, so I'm probably just gonna cut these in half like this and eat half at a time. Behind here is just some regular white bread, and then the pane toscano, or Tirano. Look at those beautiful air bubbles that developed in that bread. This bread is really good for things like bruschetta or some Italian sandwiches. So delicious. I decided to pick up the third macaroni and cheese, the pesto kind. Somebody was very kind enough to tell me on the last video that this one was good as well. So I'll be trying this out. Bought some free range eggs. We have quite a few eggs in the fridge already, so just bought 1 dozen. And then I typically buy taco seasoning mix in those really big containers, but I thought having packets would be easier for the road trip. Okay, I was really excited about this. I know, why do I get so excited about produce? I don't know, but have you tried this? It's raspberry oranges. I assume they're like blood oranges. Oh, that just looks so beautiful. I want to eat it right now and pause this video. But it says it has a hint of berry in the taste. Oh my gosh. Bought some bananas, of course. Everybody loves bananas in the family. Red grapes, those were on sale. Some yellow onions, a couple heads of iceberg lettuce. And unfortunately, my Dollar Tree has been out of the freeze-dried strawberries. I have priced this out everywhere, at every single grocery store in my area. And really the best price is Dollar Tree if you can get it there. But bought a couple of packages for my daughter, some avocados for avocado toast and salads, some string cheese, some fresh mozzarella, and some of the Baby Bell. My daughter loves those. I usually like to buy Roma tomatoes, but they were out. So I got the tomatoes on the vine and then the bell peppers. The bell peppers have been looking really good lately. A couple of mangoes and a couple containers of strawberries. These looked big this time. So pretty big. And we'll take along some butter and some cream cheese spread, some salsa, bought some wavy potato chips, and these, oh, you guys, if you like pickles, or even if you don't really like pickles, which I'm kind of a fan, I used to be a much bigger fan, these chips, so good, so good. Some sweet corn to go along with these steaks, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Marshmallows and some chocolate to have s'mores. I already have the graham crackers. And then a couple packages of the ready-to-serve long grain and wild rice. I was really happy to find grass-fed beef, the ribeye steaks. They had this also in, I think, a New York strip steak. But our family, when we do have steak, we prefer the ribeye. And usually at Kroger, these are so expensive. Now, they sell in a 2-pack, I think because these are a bit on the small side. They're 8-ounce steaks. But together, each pack was like $11 or $12. I bought 4 for the 3 adults that will eat it. Also some organic ground beef and some cold smoked salmon. This is so good and such a great deal. Cheaper than Kroger even. A bag of the big potatoes for baking, the russet potatoes. And I love when they have these red stickers. They just like jump out at me like they would at Target. So I got the brats and also the hot Italian sausage. Quite a few chicken breast fillets. These will be 2 meals. In kebabs and in like a panko breaded chicken. So yeah, I usually don't talk about the receipt, but guys, I could not believe the total What do you think the total was? For all that food, 157. Easily at Kroger, I would have spent over 200, especially with those organic steaks and the organic eggs. My goodness. How I love Aldi. Okay, so as I said, we're going on a road trip. This is our spring break. We are going in an Airbnb that's kind of away from everything, including grocery stores. So I had to plan lunches and breakfast. But because we're on vacation, I didn't want to keep things too structured. Having some flexibility to see what people felt like eating for the day. So I also kept the meals kind of simple, so I didn't have to do too much pre-planning with each individual food item. So I wrote down the list of possibilities for each meal, and we will have all the groceries ready to go. So for breakfast, we have eggs, omelets, rice and tomatoes, which is personally my favorite breakfast. I know it's so simple, but I love it. Also avocado toast with smoked salmon. I'm also going to bring that Aldi Everything Bagel seasoning. I've heard that's really good on that. And then I'll have some packets of oatmeal available for the family, bananas, and then lots of carbs. Lots of carbs. So pancakes, cinnamon rolls, bagels, and toast. Personally, my favorite thing to put on toast lately is lemon curd. Oh, it is just so delicious. For lunch, I have planned grilled cheese with tomato soup, tuna sandwiches, and also deli sandwiches if they want, taco salads with tortilla chips, and baked potatoes. On baked potatoes, I like to put some Fiesta veggies, but they don't have to do that. The Fiesta veggies are a mix of corn with a bit of red pepper, broccoli. It's just a nice way to add in more vegetables into the baked potato. For snacks, I have the dried strawberries, some snack packs of Cheez-Its and Nature Valley bars. Those cheese sandwich crackers from Aldi are one of my daughter's favorite foods. And then we also have the fruits as well. For dinner, my daughter loves to have cheese as a side to her dinner, so I have that circle cheese and string cheese that we'll bring along. We'll have the ribeye steaks with roasted potatoes. Chicken kebabs is a favorite on vacation because you can get outside and grill. In that, we put some onion, some bell pepper, and then we'll have rice alongside that. As I mentioned before, we'll have the panko chicken. I personally like the Japanese panko breadcrumbs at Dollar Tree. I think they work really well. We'll also have some sausages with the hot dog buns and cucumbers on the side there. And then we'll also have maybe some chicken nuggets. For dessert, I potentially could buy ice cream there. I don't know. We would have to go somewhere like a convenience store if they happen to have ice cream. Probably not though. So I have this brownie mix I had bought at Dollar Tree, some cookie mix, also Rice Krispie treats. The s'mores that I showed, those are a favorite, of course, on vacation because you could be outside with the fire pit. And then at the bottom, I have listed all the stuff in case you wanted to see the condiments and things. So olive oil, garlic, and some drinks as well. So iced tea, Gatorade, beer, and bottled water. All right, so that is it for this week's Aldi haul and meal plan specifically for a spring break road trip getaway. And thank you so much for letting me know about what food items you like from Aldi. It's been really helpful to me. I am part of a few Facebook groups that are dedicated just to Aldi, like the Aldi of Shame community. They're just really overall very fun and helpful groups. So I really appreciate it. And I so appreciate it when people in a community, even as small as ours, can be so supportive and positive. It's just so nice to see these days. So if you liked this video and all things Aldi and Dollar Tree, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.